I want to cover why learning programming is one of the best decisions you can make even if you think it's too late. You know, there are a lot of emotions I've felt and that most beginners feel when starting to code. Is it really worth it? Maybe it's too complicated to start, or even after starting you might still wonder whether to keep going or not. But here's the thing, learning to program isn't just about getting a job. It's about developing a skill set that can completely transform you as a person. So in this video I want to break down 3 major skills you'll develop while learning programming. Let's dive in. I want to start by saying that programming isn't just about writing code, it's about solving problems in the most efficient way possible. When you learn to code, you train your brain to break down complex challenges into smaller and more manageable steps. Think about it, if you come across a bug in your code, you don't just give up. You analyze it, experiment with different solutions, and debug until you find the fix. This structured way of thinking extends far beyond programming. Suddenly, when you're faced with real-world challenges, whether it's figuring out how to optimize your schedule, troubleshoot a household issue, or make a critical decision, you start applying the same logical, step-by-step problem-solving approach. And here's the best part, the more you practice problem-solving, the more natural it becomes. You develop a sharper, more analytical mindset that allows you to tackle challenges more easily, whether they're in business, personal finance, or everyday decision-making. The second skill is learning how to learn. Contrary to common belief, coding is not about memorizing syntax or knowing everything. It's more about how quickly you can learn new things. Technology is always evolving. New frameworks, libraries, and programming languages emerge constantly. To keep up as a programmer, you develop a growth mindset, an ability to adapt, research, and learn on the fly. Here's how coding rewires your brain to learn continuously. You get comfortable Googling solutions, reading documentation, and watching tutorials to solve problems. You develop the patience to experiment, fail, and refine your understanding through trial and error. You build confidence in your ability to take on new challenges, whether they're in tech or completely different fields. Once you master the skill of self-learning through programming, picking up any new skill, whether it's a new coding language, digital marketing, or even a new hobby, becomes so much easier. And this is what truly sets programmers apart. They don't wait for someone to teach them something, they know how to teach themselves. The number 3 skill you will develop as a programmer is resilience. Here's the truth. Coding is frustrating. You will hit roadblocks, you will encounter errors, and sometimes you will feel completely stuck. But every time you debug an error, troubleshoot a problem, or rewrite code to improve efficiency, you're training yourself to push through challenges instead of giving up. This resilience doesn't just apply to coding, it becomes a fundamental part of you. When a project at work isn't going as planned, instead of panicking, you adapt and find a new solution. When you're learning a new skill and hit a rough patch, you keep going instead of quitting. When unexpected problems come up, you stay calm and figure things out. This is why so many people say coding changes the way you think. You don't just write programs, you learn to stay focused, persistent, and adaptable no matter what challenges come your way. One thing to remember after this video before deciding whether learning to program is the right choice for you is that you are investing your time and effort in more than just one skill. If you want to get into C# and .NET development, this is what this channel is all about. You can get a free roadmap that will guide you through the steps you need to take by clicking the link below, and I also have a video specifically guiding you through this, which should be on the screen. So click on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.